In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent, may mercy, peace, and blessings of Almighty Allah be upon all of you. Welcome you all in this our lecture series program, and this is lecture 9. When we come across the study of linguistics, there we find a number of confusing pair of words or dichotomies. Today we are going to learn the difference between competence and performance. So this topic is from the subject and introduction to linguistics semester 1. This topic is very important for the students of MA English, BS English, and equally essential for the aspirants of lecturership in English. So let's learn today's topic, which is competence and performance. Here, competence and performance. The distinction made by the American linguist Noam Chomsky, it is a similar distinction as long and parole. So here I would like to introduce you about Noam Chomsky. Noam Chomsky is a versatile personality. He is an American linguist, philosopher, cognitive scientist, historian, and political activist. Ferdinand de Saussure is called the father of linguistics. Nonetheless, sometimes Chomsky is called the father of modern linguistics. So when we are talking about Noam Chomsky, he has his own importance in linguistics. Let's learn the differences between these two terms, which are given by Noam Chomsky. Competence, according to linguists, is the native speaker's knowledge of his language. So this is the native speaker's knowledge of his language. And the production of actual sentences is actually the performance. As while performance is production of actual sentences in use in real life situations. Again, so a speaker's knowledge of the structure of a language is a speaker's linguistics competence. So different speakers, different knowledge is actually the linguistics competence. However, and the way in which he uses it is linguistics performance. So this is the competence in knowledge one possesses. That is the linguistics competence, and individuals who perform, who speak differently, that is linguistics performance. Again, I would like to define with another way. This understanding of competence versus performance was given by Chomsky closely resembles the long and parole dichotomy given by Saussure. But it differs in that while long is the same with every user, competence may differ from person to person. And we are talking about long, we are talking about the language learned through the culture. So what the culture is, it is same, the long is. And when we are talking about competence may differ from person to person because it is related to psychology. Saussure's understanding of long emphasizes its predominantly social aspect. It is the social aspect because language is social, while Chomsky's term competence is based on psychology and presumes individual differences between human beings. So this is something psychological. Here again I would like to make differences between Saussure and Noam Chomsky's studies, as Saussure was a behaviorist and said that language is learned through society. And when we are talking about Noam Chomsky, who is the founder of cognitive science, and he was of the view that individuals have inherent language device and competence. It varies from person to person. And according to Saussure, who is behaviorist, that language is learned through society. So this is actually the difference between competence and long. And here is competence versus performance. Thus, a speaker A may be more competent than B. though they may share the same conventions of language. Chomsky's view of competence is also based on the idea of an inbuilt language acquisition device. Here, when we are talking about Chomsky he says that human being has capacity to learn language. He has actually a language acquisition device. Through that device, he is inbuilt capacity to learn a language that enable a person to acquire competence. So here again I have made distinctions in competence versus performance. The differences between long, as we are talking about, long is a social setting, but when we are talking about competence, it is psychological setting, because this is something inbuilt competency, right? So when we are talking about long, not designed, because it is later learned, but when we are talking about competence, it is designed. When we are talking about long, it is behaviorist view. So when we are talking about competence, it is cognitivist view. So again, when we are talking about long, it is conventional. It is learned through the conventions, patterns, laws of language. But when we are talking about competence, it is something inherited. So this was actually the difference between long and competence. So here we have learned about competence and performance as well, because when we are talking about competence, it is the individual's competency, it is the individual's knowledge of language, but performance is the actual use of that knowledge, the actual production of sounds and the words, that is performance. Thanks for attention. Hopefully this would have been very crucial topic for all of you and you could have understood it. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.